Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide 4. In today's video I am comparing to smartphone Nexus 5 and Samsung Galaxy Alpha. As Samsung recently launched the Galaxy Alpha at a price tag of Rs 40,000, whereas the Nexus 5 is available at a price tag of Rs 30,000. The Nexus 5 features 5-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Alpha features 4.7 HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. Clearly the resolution on Nexus 5 is pretty high. Both the smartphone looks pretty good at a first glance, and there is no lag while using both the smartphones. Nexus 5 is powered by 2.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 800 processor, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Alpha is powered by octa-core processor, out of which one quad-core processor clocks at 1.8 GHz and the other quad-core processor clocks at 1.3 GHz. Both the smartphones on Android 4.4 KitKat, whereas the Nexus 5 has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory, and the same is with Samsung Galaxy Alpha. It has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. On both the smartphones there is no way to increase the internal memory. Both the smartphone has the usual connectivity features, while the Samsung Galaxy Alpha packs 1860 mAh battery, and whereas the Nexus 5 packs 23 mAh battery, and clearly the battery on Nexus 5 is high in terms of capacity. Both the smartphones on Android 4.4 KitKat. Nexus 5 has 5 megapixel front camera, and Nexus 5 has 1.3 megapixel front camera, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Alpha has 2.1 megapixel front camera. The back camera on Nexus 5 is 8 megapixel, whereas the back camera on Samsung Galaxy Alpha is 12 megapixel and with LED flash. There is a Nexus branding and LG manufacturing at the back of the Nexus 5, and there is a Samsung branding on the Galaxy Alpha. On the right hand side on Nexus 5 there is a slot for micro SIM and power button. On the right hand side there is a slot for power button only on Galaxy Alpha. On the left hand side there is a volume rocker button. On the left hand side of the Galaxy Alpha there is a power button. At the top Nexus 5 has 3.5 mm audio jack and a microphone, and the Samsung Galaxy Alpha features the 3.5 mm audio jack and a microphone. At the bottom there are dual speakers and micro USB slot for charging and data transfer on Nexus 5, and whereas there is a micro USB slot for data transfer and charging, and a speaker at the bottom on Galaxy Alpha. Speaking in terms of build quality, both the phone has pretty good build quality, where Samsung this time comes with a side steel, not with plastic, but the back panel is made of plastic, whereas Nexus 5, as you know, it's a pretty good device, and it is the first device that gets the future Google updates, and there is no word on updates about on Samsung Galaxy whether it gets the future update or not. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.